Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Framer. This is a fantastic way to showcase customer feedback directly on your website, building trust and credibility with potential clients. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Common Ninja. Open your browser and type in commonninja.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Create Widget and click on it. This is where you'll begin setting up your Google Reviews integration. Next, you'll see a search bar where you can find different widget options. In this search bar, type Google Reviews and click on the result that appears. This widget is specifically designed to pull in your business reviews from Google and display them in a customizable format that fits seamlessly into your website design. Now comes an important step. You'll need to enter your business URL. This is the link to your Google Business profile where all your reviews are stored. Type in your business URL carefully and then click Submit. Make sure the URL is correct, as this determines which reviews will be displayed on your site. After submitting, you'll need to wait a moment while the system processes your request and fetches your reviews. Sometimes this can take up to a minute to finish, depending on how many reviews you have and your connection speed. Be patient during this step, as the widget is pulling all the necessary data from Google to create your reviews display. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to customize how your reviews look. On the left side of the screen, click on the design icon. This opens up various layout options that let you control how the reviews appear. Browse through the available layouts and select the one that best matches your website's style and aesthetic. After choosing your layout, make sure to click Save Changes to lock in your customization. Then click Publish to finalize your widget setup. Now you'll see a code appear on your screen. Go ahead and copy this code. You'll need it for the next part where we integrate everything into Framer. Switch over to Framer and open the project where you want to add your Google reviews. At the top of the interface, click on Insert. This brings up a menu with different elements you can add to your site. From this menu, click on Utility to access more specialized tools. In the Utility section, locate the Embed option and drag it onto your project or website where you want the reviews to appear. Once you've placed it, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see an Embed section with options to choose between URL or HTML. Click on HTML, since that's the type of code you copied from Common Ninja. Finally, paste the code into the HTML field. Your Google Reviews widget should now appear in your Framer project, displaying all your customer feedback in the layout you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Reviews to your Framer website, giving visitors valuable social proof right where they need to see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.